hi again to video 3. Now, believe it or not, we have got quite far. Let's see how far we got. So you could actually, well, you can't probably do this yet, but let me show the ingredients that you already have in place. We have this. Intro, they continue. Then we changed. And next we're going to do this. And then this. That is quite an achievement. So what have I done to achieve that? Let's look at the left hand. We were on A. Then I went to D. Remember, I'm doubling everything to make it sound fatter, stronger. So every time I press this, it's the same note down here. And then I went to B. Then I went to E. And then A. We'll come back to that, don't worry about that. Let's try and work on our right hand, which is the main part that people recognize. So far we know this. And back. That's the start. And the second step it was. Went further. And we stay here. So it's 2 times here. Let's do the second part again. And 2 times. To finish, we go down. That's the whole of that area of the song. So let's do the whole thing to make sure you understand. I'm going to do it super slowly so we cannot get confused. This is from the start. Then we did. Two times. Then back down. 1, 2, 3 to 3. Alright, so that is the right hand sorted. The left hand, we'll start with the A left hand. So we go. So the first section is all about A. Then the second time, we change to D at some point. Which point is this? Repeated. Again. Right. So it's 1, 2, 3. They're going to move to D, F sharp. At this point, our left hand moves to D as well. And these are the 2 times, yeah? The second time you do this one, we've got to go to B, left hand. So let's look at that. So this is the first section. We know that. We could all do that. The second part, we go. When we do this, the left hand's doing A. Left hand's doing A. Left hand's doing A. Now we've got to go to D, left hand. Yes, and we'll keep moving our right hand. Going on, and then this will be 2 times. 1, the second time, we've got to change our left hand to B. So let's see how that works. We're going to start again from the second section. So let's forget about what we know. We know this. We know that. So let's go to the next section. So we're going to start from the next section, which starts like this, on the A as well, left hand. Change to D. 1, then go to B. Let's do it again. Let's change. 1, then change. eventually, I'm going to break this video into another video for video 4 because I want you to actually play for me now, practice the first section that you know and join the second section with the changes in your left hand. So this is what you must achieve before the next video. 1, 2, 3, 4, left hand again. 1, 2, start your right hand now. Second part. Change. And change. You can do that. Video 4 will be the final video to clear this section.